Most spend their days like the modern desk worker, shoulders rounded, spine compressed. Contrast that with the fluid stance of a traditional martial artist. We often assume that reaching this level of physical capability requires years of heavy lifting or high-intensity training. However, historical Japanese training systems prioritized a different starting point. They focused on daily, low-impact movements, specifically designed to maintain the integrity of the joints. When the shoulders and hips remain fixed in a seated position for hours, the surrounding tissues adapt to that restriction. Over time, your body loses its ability to access its full range of motion. This routine uses a specific, equipment-free framework of 3 movements to reintroduce that lost mobility. Developing internal joint mobility provides a layer of physical adaptability that external muscle mass cannot replace. Movement 1 is the Judo shoulder sweep, which targets the tightness caused by typing and driving. To perform this, you execute a deep rotational arm sweep, mimicking the upper body rotation used to off-balance an opponent in a judo throw. This specific angle of rotation is key. It helps decompress the shoulder joint, creating space within the capsule that is usually crushed forward by poor posture. Practicing this decompression daily helps the shoulder retain its range of motion and reduces the risk of impingement. Focusing on joint space allows the arm to move freely, which is a necessary step before adding the stress of heavy exercise. Movement 2 is the ground transition. We are moving away from holding static poses and toward fluid, functional transitions. The goal is to move smoothly from a deep squat directly into a kneeling lunge without using your hands for support. Moving between these positions without relying on momentum forces the hip joints to stabilize the body through a wide arc. Consistent repetition of this transition helps the hips regain the flexibility required for agile movement. When the hips are adaptable, the lower body can generate power more efficiently during any physical activity. Movement 3 is the warrior core expansion. This shifts the focus from the limbs to the mechanics of breathing and internal stability. Most people rely on shallow chest breathing, which fails to engage the muscles that support the spine. Instead, you must draw air deep into the abdomen. As the diaphragm moves downward, it increases intra-abdominal pressure. This creates a natural support structure that stabilizes the lower back from the inside out. Maintaining this internal pressure provides a consistent anchor for the spine as the rest of the body moves. Learning to control this expansion ensures the spine remains protected during both daily tasks and intense physical exertion. By combining the shoulder sweep, the ground transition, and core expansion, you address the primary areas where modern life causes restriction. You can continue to let these joints tighten, or you can spend a few minutes each morning reclaiming your mobility. Perform these 3 movements every morning. The goal is consistency, not intensity. If you are ready to start this routine tomorrow, leave a comment below to track your progress. Mastering your body weight and internal mobility ensures your joints remain capable of handling the demands of training and daily life.